Hi everyone, this is Kiyo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na reaction video ang King of Violation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Agad-agad. Ano daw? Sorry. Ito yung hindi pa natin napanood eh.
Started 2006, correct?
Oh,
2006.
2006.
No, 2006.
Ay,
January 7.
alam talaga ni Sir MJ Felipe. Hindi mo kaya. Alam ko na una sa inyo. Nasa school pa ako. Alam ko nasa school pa ako, yung totoo.
I think so.
Ay.
Tapos, nakita ko din, year 2011, review, Entertainment Live, and then you said you really wanted to work with Kim Jong.
Oo.
Do you believe, itong nangyayari sa ngayon, this was destined to happen? Kasi yung list of actresses, Kim, bulong ka na lang sa'yo. Hindi, sabihin mo na now.
Bulong ko na lang sa iyo.
Hindi ko narinig.
Ay, tanay. Okay.
Baliw ka, Pao.
Baliw ko pa.
Okay. Dapat yan. I was excited, but during that time, I think, parang hindi pa siya mahiwalay sa on-screen love team niya.
Ay, on-screen love team. On-screen love team. Yung totoo.
So napapanood mo na siya noon. Nakikita mo na talaga.
Yes.
Ikaw naman, do you still remember that first day you saw Paolo on screen?
Bulong ko na lang din sa'yo.
Ay, bakit ang puro na lang bulungan? Puro na lang bulungan for today's video.
First time,
Yeah.
alam ko yung ball.
Ay, boy.
Ano impression mo sa kanya? Yung last year lang.
Yung last year na ba? Charot lang, hindi. Yung
Star Magic Ball. Atake.
Ay. Sorry, sa dami naman nakatrabaho. Kim is, her mood sets the mood of the set. So if she's happy, the whole set is happy. If she's quiet, parang yung buong set rin tahimik. That's why there's may effort lagi sa part namin na parang dapat masaya si Kim lagi.
Yes.
Infectious yung saya niya or yung you set the mood pala.
So, napapasaya ka.
Ay, napapasaya ka. Atake. Anyways, ito yung mga sweet interviews nila, ha? Ay, namimiss ko yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Ay. Tapos, yun na yun.
Filipino films are different than the films that we watch here in United States. You feel the Filipino movie has
Do you have any feel pressure right now? Just
way of telling the stories or make us feel in the story, because I know that Filipino movie has a lot of success here in America in a lot of communities.
When you watch the movie, you'll get to know more about the Philippine culture, and this is an entry level for you to see how Filipinos are in terms of love, in terms of family, in terms of community.
The first difference is the budget.
budget.
We in the Philippines, we always try to make it as close to our culture and how we are as Filipinos as much as possible as we can. It's not that we're trying to imitate something, but I think
Si Paolo.
when we talk about
Ano na naman yung Pao?
current issues,
So, dapat maging honest ka na. O, sa nararamdaman siya. Hindi ko naman sinasabi hindi siya honest. Okay.
there are also like the daily dilemmas that a lot of
Hindi ko naman sinasabi hindi siya honest, di ba? Ay. Mag-asawa talaga sila. Totoo lang. Very mag-asawa talaga ang atake nila, mami. Sa totoo lang. Ay, tapos pala. Ay, ito. Ayan, alam mo na in love na kita. Alam mo naman na love kita. Yes. Go, ha. Kung gusto mo yan, go. Pwede. Panahon na Pilipino. Ito hindi pa ako kimbaw dito, actually. Ay.
syempre si Kim Chu. Aside
Kim Chu.
galing niya
Siyempre si Kim Chu. Yung Kim Chu. Ang cute na talaga ng Kim Chu. Ano bang kulay? Maraw. Ay. Diyos ko, ito yung mga patango pa silang nag-iinlaban. Ay, ito. Ano, chika?
Ako, meron silang surprise para sa ating lahat. Now,
Ay, ito.
matatagal yan. Let's all
Full
welcome
interview.
the lead stars of the #1 most watched series on View original adaptation, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, Paolo Avellino and Kim Chu!
Paolo Avellino.
Yay!
Hi.
Have a seat, please.
Hello, MJ. Pinakasikat na host.
Ayan na naman
Pinap-
si Kim, dinodog
Ay,
show mo na naman.
dinodog
ako eh.
show.
Have a seat, please. Bati
Dinodog show. Ito yung sinasabi ninyong hindi ko pa nagagawa ng reaction video, no?
Nanonood online.
Ba't ka na nagsa-stutter? Di pa tayo
Oo nga.
Wala
Nag-stutter na siya.
Ay!
Kim Filingera dito si Kim eh.
Thank you
Charis.
so much. And ito
Napaka-Filingera dito ni Kim, sa totoo lang.
TV airing and marami pang iba.
Kimi?
Hello po sa lahat ng mga onliners na nanonood ngayon. Hello po, kami po ito, Kim Chu and Paolo. And MJ, salamat po sa pagtutok. And ayan, dyan lang kayo. Marami pa kaming sasabihin.
Malapit pang Anes
Simulan
for
natin
today's
ang
video.
kwentuhan. I interviewed you parang 2 or 3 months ago when we're launching the series.
Oo.
Kamusta yung pakiramdam going to here now?
To be honest, I didn't expect it to blow up this big. Kasi, you know, when you always start a series, andun lagi yung kaba and yung hindi mo alam kung tatangkilikin ng mga tao, especially you're asking them to go on a different platform or that they're not a lot of people are familiar with. Although, sanay naman yung iba, pero to watch
Ang gwapo ni Paolo. Napakamalumanay niya talaga. Parang ang galing-galing talaga ni Paolo.
pagtanggap ng mga manonood.
Parang gusto ko talaga ulit panoorin yung My Love Will Make You Disappear kissing scene.
Grabe yung success. Pero, overwhelming, of course,
Overwhelmed.
na nangyayari.
Bakit man overwhelmed?
And
Ate ko.
sa mga social media, yung parang ang daming natutuwa, ang daming nasisiyahan,
Oo.
and nag-subscribe ng View, and pag nasa labas ako, tawag nila sa akin, Secretary Kim. So parang nakakatuwa, and at the same time, parang very thankful. And
Very
grateful.
thankful,
And
of course.
Ilang buwan na bang magdo 2 months na rin
I know,
to,
right.
napapanood ng mga tao, and hindi nila kami binibitawan at iniiwan. Patuloy silang nakasubaybay dito sa palabas namin. Kahit 20 minutes a day lang siya.
Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, no? Yung success talaga ng Kim Pao. Kasi yung ating conversation po ngayong hapon, we divided it in 2 different parts, no? Pag-uusapan
marami
natin
pala.
is the kilig success of
Grabe naman yung kilig sa
totoo naman.
Kilig
Kim.
success.
Sana may episode naman din, nagsimula ang kanilang relasyon sa taping. Yung mga ganun.
Dapat may ganun. Dapat may ganun talaga siya, May. Actually.
Oo, para ano naman celebrity edition, di ba?
Oo, pwede.
Nagsimula
Okay.
ang kanilang relasyon sa taping.
Anyways,
Sana may episode naman din, nagsimula
ang... Ay, ito.
proposal. May mga ganun na bang Ay, wala. Bata pa ako. Si
Ay, wala.
Pao, ikaw dapat si Paolo muna. Tapos pag siya na.
Dito, iba na din tingin ni Paolo kay Kim, no? Iba na din talaga. Totoo lang.
Pero siya muna.
Atake. Ay, ganun pa talaga dapat, meron. Oh, lagkit talaga. Malagkit talaga yung tinginan nyo. Anyways, it is all for today's video. Our Kim Pao compilation. And this is Kim Vlogs. And see you on my next one.